So one of the things that's really exciting in today's world is the shift towards building and providing customers with apps, which are much more front-facing or client-facing, versus a lot of the traditional tools that we've been building at AvePoint over the last decade, which were very focused on the back office and dealing with tasks that the administrators had to focus on from a day-to-day. And what's happened now is as technologies like SharePoint Online and Office 365 become more popular and they become much more visible to the front office, when a enterprise makes a investment in a partner or a company like AvePoint, not only are they looking for really cool tools, like infrastructure management and everything that we've built traditionally, but they're also looking for line of business applications. And a great example of that is our meetings application, which can be present in a one-on-one meeting, in a boardroom, in a marketing sync. We could even have a meeting to prepare for this video demonstration. And so I think as the requirements change, the need for a development shop to build kind of smaller, more focused products becomes very important. Are you seeing any other drivers, Paul?
Absolutely. What I would consider a universal problem for our information workers is sort of threefold. One is we have a massive amount of content to deal with. Right? So how am I, as an information worker, supposed to stay aware of all my content? And even if I can be aware of it, how could I prioritize it? I'm not going to be able to stay on top of it all and read it all. So that's number one. Number two, as you know, my content is stored in a multitude of different systems now, right? So even just within Office 365, we've got email and blogs and documents and Yammer conversations, tons of sites. And so if I'm trying to get back to a piece of content, how do I get there? Do I need to remember it?
Right.
So that's another universal problem. And then thirdly, I think it's well understood that more and more we have geographically dispersed teams, right? And so making sure that I'm aware of all my colleagues around the world, what they're working on, making sure we're not sort of duplicating effort.
Right.